Drill, sound test, 80% volume. I'm playing three musics from the Electoral Legion. If you know that guy, subscribe to him. But if you're subscribed, you're a good man. We'll be playing NHBD next, like whoa, and I would assume my boombox got disconnected again. So let me give me time, please. Disconnected and then connected again. 80%. By the way, no equalizer, guys. No equalizer, no bass booster, no nothing. It's just the plain sound.
I hit record a job, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, finished frames on my face. Looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers. Pockets deep, 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 bro. I can make it in my seat.
Passive radiators on intact, no free air. No. This is without passive radiator. Sorry for bothering you, but yeah.
Do you and do me, bro? Making noise, use a beat, bro.
90% volume.
That money clip, I started, know that looks like. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like. Neighborhood on the scene, neighborhood on the strip. Neighborhood be the name, neighborhood no crib. Neighborhood that's me, neighborhood that's Nick. Neighborhood do the dance, neighborhood do the deal. Okay, thought I'd never make it like no way. I'm the real deal, no role play. My days off, there's no days. No hustle hard, young rose. Even the shooter, that's cold case. Those on the deals, that's rose. Got no pay, yo, no say. Okay, this the new time I read it. Been the one since the fetus. Don't sleep on me, Tempur-Pedic. That's a no. Spending dope for no reason. Got a ball head, Mr. Cleaner. Heard the big bags overseas, then we gon' go. I press the button and the doors go off like, that money clip was not a new that looks like, upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, I press the button and the doors go off like, that money clip was not a new that looks like, upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like,
Music name on description. So let's play the second song, which is by Siona, I would assume. Feed Emmy, Toss the Salt, also from the Electoral Legion. 90% volume. It is pretty loud. Pretty distorted, but pretty loud. So. And the bass is pretty punchy for how small it is.
Oh baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises, no. Did you fool yourself enough to be proud? Oh baby, good at thinking. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulders, strung you up on the bed. But I don't need to tell you, hey, don't you look at me like that, when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault, now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that, you're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault, now toss the salt. Oh baby, I don't know what to say. Every beginning's gonna end up the same. Spare me your thoughts and get out of my way. Baby.
I'm back. 90% volume now.
Know your mama told you be the best that you can. She never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulders, strung you up on the body until you. Hey, don't you look at me like that, when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault, now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that, you're not feeling sorry. It's your own
test, I'm gonna go with 100% volume. Gonna hear a lot of distortion, so by the way, but it'll be fine. Probably will be fine. 5 minutes into the freaking video.
Wait, you want some more?
You may ask why this is the end, but I'm gonna tell you a little bit of and my I believe disconnected. I'm gonna tell you why is it it sounds like it's like that beeping shiz. I don't want to curse again. The beeping shiz. That you heard that, right? It's low battery. I overpowered it too much. And it's what? Oh, that is boiling. Whoa, that's boiling. But as you seen on my other clip that I showed you the lights, it actually blinks because of how much power I gave to the amplifier. That's why. So what next, guys? I'm gonna do the TNG if you want. But that's the full indoor sound test. 100% volume to 80%. 80% volume to 100% first, right? Okay. So that's the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share so I can do the TNG next. Or the brand new boombox that I have that my friend has. That boombox right there, the brand new boombox, not like the real boombox, but the fake boombox. It's like that boombox, but I've said boombox too much. I'm like boombox, okay. Like that boombox, but it's completely new. That's what I'm gonna base test. So if you want to see that, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, dudes. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, dudes. And again, hope you'll have a wonderful day. Bye. Oh, I got a little bit of a thing there.